Hey guys, on today's video we're doing a giveaway of these skins right here. So they just came out. So here we go. We have this skin right here and you guys get to pick whichever skin you guys like. So in order to win any of these skins, by the way, I can't give out bundles. Epic still doesn't let you give out any bundles. So all I can do is give out the skins right here, one by one. So you guys can only win the skin and not the bundles themselves, just because it's something that you don't have the option in order to give that out. However, skins we can give out. We can also give out these guys right here, harvesting tools, or any emote for that matter. We can actually also give those out. So we can go ahead and give out any of these emotes. Anyways, if you guys would like to win an emote or skin, it's really your choice what you guys would like to win. You guys can sign up down here below and just follow these 3 steps. Number 1, go right into your item shop. Down here below, you guys will see support a creator. Just tap right there and you guys will type in, just enter tech and design just like you see it right here. Accept. That's step number 1. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Next step, on this video, just scroll down and you guys will see a comments area. On the comment area, I need you guys to type in, I want a free battle pass for Fortnite Chapter 2 Season 1. Then a dash, and then you will type in your Epic username. And that's very important because a lot of you have a different username right here on YouTube than your Epic name. That way I can see if you guys are using creator code and you guys are also subscribed to my YouTube channel, so I can match those up, and that's about it. That's the reason why you guys are leaving this message, so I can see what you guys want, what your username is on Epic, so I can check that, and right here my creator code, plus I can check if you're subscribed to this YouTube channel. Once you have done that, that's it. Those are the 3 steps that you have to do in order to qualify for this draw. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can leave them down here below in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.